What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Cage. How y'all doing? I hope y'all guys are having an amazing day. So, your girl did a spring tutorial. I was just messing around with my makeup, and I figured since spring is here, spring ain't here in Minnesota yet, but since it's like in California and other places where it's warmer, why not? And this is still cute. You can still wear it when it's cold outside. So, yeah. So I'm gonna be using my, what's her name? Oh my gosh. Jaclyn Hill. My Jaclyn Hill palette, like always. So first, we're going to take some concealer. Just boom, boom, boom. Or you can use eyeliner or whatever. I'll bring that all over your lid. And then we're going to take this fluffy brush. That's eyeliner on my hand, by the way. And right there, too. And take that yellow. Obviously, you can see that it already has yellow on the brush. So, take that yellow. Oh, yeah, I already have chapstick on. And just, to be honest, gonna bring this just everywhere. In the crease, the outer corner, everywhere, boo. Yes. So I'm not being very like neat either, so it's whatever. Like, it's fine. Okay, now we're just gonna blend that out a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. Good. Now, I'm gonna take this little brush. I have no clue where I found it at. And I'm gonna take like this, it's like an orangey color. Orangish, reddish color. And we're just gonna put that in the outer corner, basically. Kind of bring it in a little bit, but you're swiping in and out. Because I've never done a look where, like, the inner corner is, like, bright, you know, and the outside's, like, darker than the, you know what I mean? I've always done, like, crease and, like, lid kind of thing, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense, but hopefully it does. Yeah, I'm just taking that and just focusing it right here. You can bring it into your crease a little bit and higher, you know, however you want to do it. I'm just going to do it like this. And then you can kind of look at your other one. Just kind of compare, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Blah, blah, blah. Now I'm going to get the excess off and just blend that. Also, I'm going to take the brush that we use with the yellow and blend that. That looks better. Bring that into the closer to your eyelid. I mean, your inner corner eyelid. Duh. Oh my goodness. Sometimes I just say stuff and I'm like, what did I just say? Alright, now that we're done with that, we're going to take this flat shader brush right here. And we're going to take this, like, it's like a royal color. Let me do a swatch. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, look at that. Yes, hunty. Yes, it's right there. Yes. I don't know what that is. I think it's other eyeshadow that I put on my hand. Take that color. We're gonna start in the inner corner. and bring it up to highlight the eye and bring it out. And I'm taking my finger and kind of just, you know what I mean? Nah, I mean, jelly bean. Just gonna look at them and kind of compare them and just make sure that they're one more layer right there. Just so it looks very intense and brings attention to your eyeballs, you know what I'm saying? Take my finger again and just kind of blend a little bit. Alright, now that we're done with that, I'm gonna take the same brush and take that same color that we're using the crease and bring it down to the lower lash line. I always do that. I'm sorry, guys. I'm always touching this one up, too. I don't know why. And then we're going to take this brown eyeliner. And, you guys, to be honest... Oops. To be honest, I'm not really a fan of eyeliner, really, because my eyes are so small. Just makes my eyes even smaller. So, it's kind of like whatever, you know? But I'll wear it if I want to look like, if I want my eyes to look more, I don't know, more sexy, like, if that makes sense. I don't know. Now I'm going to take my eyeliner, and this is where I'm praying to the Lord. Hey, that I don't know myself. Y'all pray for me. Pray for this wing, just like Pastor Star used to do. I don't know if he still does, but he used to, before he did his eyeliner, he'd be like, Lord, please help me get this eyeliner good. That's funny. Okay. Well, I'm going to use this mirror because I can't do it in that one. And then you guys can watch. So what I like to do, I like to start in the inner corner. Staying really close to the lash line. Just like that. And then I didn't put much of a wing because I'm not worried about a wing. But I'm pretty sure I just stabbed my eye. That's cool. I love this eyeliner, you guys. Like, this is my go-to. I've been using this for years. This is in non-waterproof, and it is in the color Jet Black. Jet Black. Do you guys think I'm weird? A lot of people think I'm weird. And I'm like, that's just me. Like, I just am who I am. Alright, that looks pretty good. Okay. We're gonna let that dry a little bit. While we let that dry, we're gonna move on to highlighter. So I'm using this Mary Kay highlighter. It's cream. My mom didn't like it. She gave it to me. I said, bet. Say no more. Because I'm going to use this highlighter. And this is my second time putting on highlighter today. So, just kind of reapplying, I guess. Ooh. Do you guys watch Jersey Shore? Because I was just watching it. If you guys did watch it when it came out the first time, it's coming out again. It came out already again, I should say. Put some on my forehead. I noticed the best way to put cream on is to kind of like put it on your cheeks and then kind of go outward so that there's not like a bold line, but it's also blended in. I don't know, that's what works for me anyways. And my skin is very oily sometimes, so this cream I really like. Alright, now that we're done with that, we're going to go back to the mascara part, and we're going to be using the Great Lash. Great Lash. I already know my eyelashes are not going to stay up for this part, but a girl can pray. You know what I'm saying? See, you don't understand some of my eyelashes. That's annoying. Okay, whatever, dude. I don't know what else to do at this point. I have an eye booger and it's driving me nuts. I hate eye boogers, you guys. Like, I really do. But I'm not about to mess up my makeup, so I'm gonna wait. Okay, last step, y'all. Bronzer. Can we just snatch his face real quick? Okay. Okay. Subtract that double chin real quick. Yes, yes, hunty. Yes, we're gonna go hard on the bronzer. I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. You can never wear enough makeup, to be honest. In my opinion. Because, I love makeup though, so I guess it's different for everybody. Alright, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And comment below some other tutorials you guys want me to do. And yeah. The highlight, yes. Cute, simple, easy. If you guys create this look, post it on Instagram, tag me. I'm gonna like it, comment, and follow you. And my Instagram is curlyheadkj if you didn't know. But this is the look. Alright, I love y'all. Thank you so much for the support, and thank you for 10K subscribers. Woo-hoo. I love you guys so much, and I just feel so blessed. And I've come a long way. You guys have been doing YouTube since middle school, and I just came so long way. Came a long way, and I'm just thankful. And I love y'all, and just thank you for the support. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up so that I know to do more tutorials. Like, let me know what kind of tutorials you guys want to see. Do you guys want those more like talk videos or gossip videos? Like, let me know in the comments. And also, I will be calling subscribers soon, so make sure on Instagram at curlyheadkj you DM me your number, because I will be calling my subscribers and I will be recording it. So make sure you DM me your number at curlyheadkj on Instagram. Alright, mouthful. Okay, love y'all. Bye.